Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, spring is around the corner. You know what that means. Beautiful colors on the eyes. Let's get started. This is my black brown eyebrow pencil by the company called Go Brow. Next, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee and sharpen up the look of my eyebrows underneath the bottom. This also helps the eyeshadow to stand out. Right here, I'm also using LA Girl Pro Conceal, but this is in the color Toast, which is a darker shade than the color Toffee. Before applying any of the eyeshadows, I am now putting on my primer, which is by MAC and it's called Prep and Prime. Right here, I am using a palette by Juvia's. It's called the Zulu palette. It's a palette with pretty much bright colors in it, and this is the pink that's inside of that palette. I'm going to add a cut crease to my eye. So what I'm doing right here is using LA Girl Pro Conceal. It's in the color Porcelain. It's an extremely light color, but what this color is going to do is any color that I place on it, it's going to allow the color to really stand out. This is the yellow that I got out of the Zulu palette by Juvia's. It's the same palette that I used prior when I put the pink on my eye. Also out of the Zulu palette, I got this orange color that I'm using to blend into my yellow shadow that's already on my eye. Now I am using my base color, which is the pink. I'm using it on my cut crease, and as you can see, it's lighter because I used a lighter concealer, but once I'm done, it's going to blend very well. This blue eyeshadow is a loose mineral eyeshadow. It's called Blue Plate Special, and the company is called Color G. Okay, now I truly love these colors, but I was not satisfied with the look. So what I did was I went into my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette and I went over each color. Over my yellow shadow, excuse me, I did Chocolate Gold. Over my orange shadow, I did Old Money. Over the pink shadow, I did New Money. And at the end of my eyes where the pink and the blue mix and it has sort of a purple look, I went over that with Living Lavish. And I think that really brought my eyes out. Even though it was colorful, it needed a little bit of shimmer. This is my foundation, which is by Maybelline Fit Me. It's the Matte and Poreless, which is for oily skin and is in the number 368. Right here I am contouring my face, and I am using my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and it's in the color Toffee, and this is the same color that I use on the bottom of my brows. As you can see, the areas that I highlighted are my T-zone area, which is under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. Right here I'm using my black OPAL Invisible Blocking Powder, and this is to keep my foundation from looking oily throughout the day. It's going to give it a nice matte finish once I take it off. Here I am using my F liquid liner in black. I'm going to use this liner to make a wing on both sides of my eyes. Now I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette to give myself a colorful smoky eye. So what I'm going to use is the Chocolate Gold, the Old Money, the New Money, and the Living Lavish. And I'm going to line these colors up so that they go with the colors that are on the top of my eye. Now I'm going to take a narrow brush and I'm going to contour the sides of my nose, under my cheekbones, and my hairline with my True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. I have put on my lashes by Allure, and the style is called Luxe. Right here I am put on my blush by MAC, and it's called Fever. The lip color that I'm putting on is by NYX Liquid Suede. It's a cream lipstick, and the color is called Alien. This is Mary Kay's Glowing Finish Illuminating Stick, and this is in the color Gold. Right here I am blending my highlighter into my cheeks so that it's not too harsh. I wanted a soft glow. I did not want my cheeks to look too glowy with my eyes as colorful as they are. So I'm just blending it into my blush. Now I'm just taking a small brush and putting a little bit of the highlighter right above my black lipstick. Now that I'm all done, the last thing I had to do was spray my face with my setting spray, which is by Tarte. Well, ladies, I'm all done. As you can see, it came out really nice. Now all I have to do is get this hair together. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like me on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching.